Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn off comments on Instagram Live.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Instagram account. After that, tap on the plus button. Now, swipe to live. After that, tap on the live button. Now, tap on the three-dot icon beside the comment and select turn off commenting. And that's it guys, this is how you can turn off comments on your live.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.